Hey guys, welcome to another video, and this is another unboxing. Actually, I was not feeling well, but I thought that I've got the courier, so why not just unbox it. So this is one of the Bluetooth speakers that is quite budget friendly. So this is the MeWe Roam 2. So ये काफ़ी अच्छा review था on Amazon, so I thought why not check it and let's see what is up with the speaker. So actually this is quite well reviewed on Amazon also, so and it is like only 1,000 rupees, 1,100 rupees. So I thought why not check it out and see what is special with this. With this, actually I've tried a lot of Bluetooth speakers. This is like 25 to 30 times more expensive than this speaker, and I'm not expecting much from it because it is a 5-watt speaker, or this is relatively quite powerful, but it gives some like really good specs under that price range. It says it has solid bass, it has premium metallic grill, stereo आप इसको मोड में यूज़ कर सकते हो, like using 2, portable and easy to carry, water and dust proof. That is a bold claim that it is waterproof and dust proof. So 24 hours का जो है play time है on mid volume, 2000 mAh की battery, and it is proudly made in India, 1-year warranty. So yeah, let's start and open this thing up and let's see what we get inside. Whoa. Okay, says push the limits. So let's see how much limits is it pushing. So the box is really good, and we get a pamphlet and all how to like register for warranty, and I think so this is like manual and stuff. Let's keep this to the side, and this is the speaker. Oh, it is a weighty one, so let's keep the speaker to the side. And so here is our micro USB. That is like really pathetic that it is using still micro USB in this day and age. And here is an aux cable, so yeah, it uses aux as well. So let's see the speaker. So this is where the flap is. So यहाँ इस flap के नीचे जो है, if I can open it up, so it is a micro USB and an aux port. This is quite a loud color, and especially I have bought it because I have to gift it. You can see like the darked out section. यहाँ पर speaker इसका main speaker, and this is a passive radiator for the bass. So yeah, it is there. यहाँ पर top पे आप check कर सकते हो, plus minus for up and down. This is pause play hopefully, and this is for pairing and everything else. So yeah, there is like it is not elastic, it is like just a static band. So ये आपको जो है टांगने वगैरह के काम आएगा. And it has like puny little feet, so you can keep it like this. So yeah, this is everything that we got with the box. So let's keep this to the side and pair it up. And let's see what's the first impressions of. So let's get it powered on. I think so this will be the button. Okay, it's on. So
Bluetooth mode.
okay, so let's go to Bluetooth and pair a new device. Hopefully it will be like here. Okay, here it is.
Paired.
So it is paired, and let's go to YouTube and check something out. So it is on full volume.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now. I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled.
So yeah, definitely it is like really clear, and the bass is there. As you can see, the speaker was literally moving. So I will pause this video here, and hopefully I will like use it for thoroughly for a week or so, and then give you like my final impressions, what I think about the speaker, and should you buy it for like 1100 or 1000 rupees for what it retails for. So the MeWe Roam 2. So I've used this speaker for like 9-10 days, and I have used it quite well. As I don't know if you can see on camera, but there are like quite a few marks on this rubber, and yeah, it is very small kind of speaker. You can see my hands are like unusually big, so yeah, it can be like in your fist or something. But this was one of the speakers that was a really mixed bag for me, because kai jagah jo hai, it is like performed really well, but sometimes it is just like utter crap. First of all, the pros. The build quality is really great. It is rugged as hell. You can squeeze it, you can like torture it, and it will not break a sweat because it is built like a really solid thing. And the rubberized material is also great. It is not like deteriorating or something, that it is not like having scratches, even like I have used in quite rough times. And the strap, it is not elastic, because MI का जो एक portable speaker आता है उसमें elastic strap है. So yeah, there is that. It is not elastic if you are thinking. And the buttons are really great. They are really tactile and they work very flawlessly. There is like a negligible amount of lag even when I like tap the button instantly. Even if the device is in the next room, it will instantly do the thing that it is assigned. And other than that, I have not used the aux port, and I don't know why even there is an aux port, because this speaker does not need an aux port. And one of the shortcomings, the biggest shortcoming of this device, I personally think so, that it does not have like a codec inbuilt. So I think so SBC codec तो होना चाहिए था. SBC जो है वो काफ़ी एक low end codec है, जो mostly entry level devices पे आता है. And due to that, I don't know what the speaker is, how it is tuned or something, but I definitely think so कि जो इसमें एक codec की कमी है, उसकी वजह से इसकी sound quality जो है वो काफ़ी कम है. And even if you are going past 70%, it is like crackling. The sound is crackling. Sound जो है वो clear नहीं है after 70%. This speaker is not, you cannot think this as a portable speaker, but you can see it as an alternate speaker to your like already flagship phone, if you have a flagship phone that has like a solid pair of stereo speakers. So I think so कि उसमें थोड़ा सा loudness add करने के लिए you can use the speaker, but definitely for outdoorsy things or like a small like two people like listening to music or watching a movie, and I can only think of this speaker as a like alternate to your phone or like your tablet. But I definitely think so I desired more from this speaker, because this is not like a cheap speaker for a 5-watt speaker. I got this for 1100 rupees, and I think so that for 1100 rupees I knew that there were shortcomings on this device, but the build quality aside, it is like not sounding good. Bass है इसमें, if you are a bass head, like I think that you can enjoy it, but really the 70% volume mark is the like baseline for me, and they should have like capped it at that, because above that it is like crackling. So definitely the 5-watt HD sound is an utter lie, but the Bluetooth connection was great and battery life is also really great. So the conclusion is कि आप इसको as a alternative use कर सकते हो for a phone speaker, but definitely I don't think so this is gonna be a speaker that I will be recommending to you or anyone else. So guys, that was probably it, and I don't know why I bought it for like 1100 rupees. I would have like saved another 500 rupees and got like a better speaker, or even a speaker that is much more powerful than this. But I have to test some things, and I can be wrong about some devices that I was for this. So yeah, it's a thumbs down from my side, and yeah, that wraps up this video. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, please make sure to like this video and also consider subscribing to my channel. This has been Beast from Geek, guys, and hope to see you in my next video. Thank you guys.